Hello guys, today I would like to show you a quite interesting old computer made by Toshiba, the Satellite. The model is a 200 CDS. As you can see, it was a Pentium 1 Windows 95 dedicated, and there is nothing fancy about the look, and there is a quite interesting feature. So the first of all, we've got a AC connector. We don't need to have an external power supply, we just put a straight AC voltage into the computer, and we've got inside a charging circuitry and the AC to DC adapter. So I found that quite interesting because that time most of the computer have the external big beefy power supply, and over here we just carry that tiny plug with a little cable. So let's take a look at the connectors. We've got our mouse keyboard, we've got a fan. I believe that's an external adapter for docking station. We've got a printer output, we've got a monitor output, we've got a infrared connector, we've got our CD-ROM drive, the brightness, the battery cover latch, we've got a speaker, we've got a headphones output, we've got a volume adjustment. On the side we've got a power button. Over here we've got our audio input and the output, the PCMC connector. I believe that's a connector for the external floppy disk drive, but I'm not that sure. And our serial connector. And from the bottom we cannot see anything fancy. The quite interesting is how you remove the CD-ROM drive. We've got a lever over here, and if you are going to pull it just like that, you're going to break it, because first of all you have to remove that latch over here, and now you can pull this lever and you can remove the CD-ROM drive. So that's quite interesting. Of course, there is a special connector 97, and we can of course plug it back in the reverse order. The lever go down and we lock in place. And the other interesting thing is where the hard drive is located. So I used to found a hard drive in different places, sometimes under the keyboard, and over here we do not have a dedicated location, we do not have a sliding caddy, but we've got our battery compartment. And if we open the battery compartment, when we remove the battery, we can find a hard disk drive located under the battery. You just undo that two screw and pull it out. So yes, that's quite interesting. Let me put the battery inside. This is not the first place that I was looking for the hard drive. And the second interesting thing, the last one, is the memory module, because I was expected to find something standard, and we can see something like that. This is uncommon nowadays. We've got a memory module. I'm going of course to remove that just to see how it looks like. I'm going to put the screw aside, and I'm going to get something to pry, a pry tool. Would like something not where I put my pry tool. Okay, I've got it over here, and over here is a connector. So yes, that's how it looks like the memory module. As you can see, it's quite different modern technology. And from side of the board, that's how it looks like. So yes, I think it's quite interesting nowadays, of course. Let's put it back, add our 2 screw and lock everything in place. So yes, let's boot it up and check if everything is working. So I'm going to pause. Here you can see the memory. I would like to open the BIOS. That's possible. Now we've got our Windows. Okay, let's wait for the boot up. So I finally boot up. It was quite old process. And we've got our game. Let's check how it's doing. Okay. There was a hidden gateway. Okay. Oh. But no worries. Let's go up. This is just a test. We're not going to drink anything. We're just going to pass the first level. Just like that. And we have to be quite fast, because we do not have sword. Okay. And the first level pass. The music quite nice. Okay, so let's just check. Come on. Okay. Come on, baby. And that's how it's going. Okay, so thank you very much for watching. I hope you find it interesting. See you next time and bye bye.